Today I'm going to show you guys if your mouse pointer is lagging or freezing very often on your Windows computer. This tutorial will hopefully show you guys a couple of potential workarounds to resolve it. You want to open up the Start menu and type in Device Manager. It should be the best match that comes up, and it should be listed right above Control Panel. You want to left click on it one time to open it up. And now you want to go down to Mice and Other Pointing Devices and expand the view. Now, in most cases, there should be one device listed here. You want to right click on it, and then you want to try updating the driver software, and then search automatically for updated driver software. If that does not solve your problem, we can see actually it has found updated driver software for our mouse. What I also recommend doing is uninstalling it by just right clicking on the device and clicking on uninstall. And then all you have to do pretty much at that point is just disconnect your mouse from your computer and then plug it back in into the USB port in which you took it from, and then it should automatically begin re-downloading the software. And we're going to close out Device Manager. You can also look inside of Task Manager as well, and if you can find your mouse process, which in some cases it's easier than others to find. So we right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. It's not as obvious in my case because this is a virtual environment, so it's a little bit harder to find. But let's just say, for example, you can find something that says, for example, point.exe or pointer.exe, two very common names. All you would do would be to right click on it and then click on Properties. Actually, that might not have been the best example there, but let's say if we go underneath the Skype here, and then we go underneath compatibility at the top right here. You can check mark this box to run the program in compatibility mode for an earlier version of Windows. This can be good if you upgraded from an earlier version of Windows perhaps, and the mouse is obviously an older mouse, so it could handle a little bit better if you run it in compatibility mode. So something to keep in mind. And you can always Google your mouse software online, so if you type in Microsoft mouse or Dell mouse or whatnot, you might be able to have some luck with that. But I do hope that one of these methods worked for you guys, and there's always a chance that you're just running a lot of programs and processes in the background of your computer, and your computer is just really slow, and just having a laggy mouse is just a byproduct of that, in which case it's not directly the mouse's fault. It's just that you have so much going on in the background, your computer can't allocate the resources appropriately, and thus you get a really weird acting mouse. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. There is a difference between there being a mouse problem and a computer efficiency and performance issue. But I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.